Hi guys, it's Gabby and welcome back to my channel, back with another video with our weekly new releases. We've got a ton this week, which I'm really excited to show you, so I thought we'd just get straight into it. So the first of the new releases are 3 new icons this week. So the first one is, I've revamped our payday stickers just because I felt like they needed updating. So these are really cute. You've just got a little wallet with some money hanging out, and you've got a pink and marble version, and I really like these updated ones. I think they're really sweet. So those are your payday icons. The next are your sick day icons, which I'm really happy with how these turned out. So you've just got like a box of tissues, some tablets, and a hot cup of tea, which is what I think we all need when we're a little bit sick. So those are the sick day icons. And then these shopping bag icons, which are pretty self-explanatory. So yeah, you can use them whenever you go shopping. So those are the 3 new icons that I'm really excited about. Next, we have our March monthly kit. So this is the Erin Condren size, and as you can see, it's just really muted, like marbles and greens and pinks, but really kind of subtle colors. And then you've just got like a grid, a few butterflies, and I just love this font as well. I've been using it for the whole, like for January, February, and now March. I think I'll just continue it for the whole year, so that if you buy all the kits, it's really like cohesive. So that is your first sheet. Then your second sheet, you get like all of the sidebar boxes, appointment labels, sidebar headers, bill dues, paydays, rescheduled and cancelled. And then the final sheet is your other header with 2019, your date dots, some washi strips, and then just lots of functional icons. And then of course it comes in the personal size, so you can use these in lots of different planners. I've used them in A5, B6, A6, so you get like some washi on the side, you get some headers, you get the days that are separate, some sort of full boxes, your date covers, and then you've got like little half boxes, quarter boxes, lots of different functional icons, which are much smaller to fit in smaller planners. So that's the personal / traveler's notebook / ring bound size. Then we have 2 new kits this week as well. The first one is called Matilda, which I'm really excited about. It's a mixed media kit, and we haven't done one like this in quite a while. So, and I just love the colors too. So this is the first functional sheet. So you've got this really pretty, like, it's not really emerald green, but it's maybe more of a forest green with like your purples and your muted blues. So first functional sheet, you've got your heart checklists, sidebar box, lots of functionals, sidebar headers, habit trackers, and some appointment labels. Then your second functional sheet, your to-do and today headers, your faux foil headers, more appointment labels, bill dues, and lots of drawn icons to weekend banners. Then your really pretty full boxes, so we've got a mixture of photography and drawings. The quote says you gotta nourish to flourish, and I just really love the colors and all of like the drawn elements and also the photography. And then you've got your block headers down the bottom. Then you've got your to-do boxes, another sidebar box, and then your appointment labels. You've got your half boxes, quarter boxes, and little things. Your really pretty bottom washi and washi strips, and then your 2 date covers and deco. So that is Matilda, and of course, where is it? Also comes in the personal or smaller size. So you've got your side washi, 4 of the smaller full boxes, lots of functionals, headers, and lots of smaller icons. So that is the personal for Matilda. And then the next kit is called Lucky, and it's definitely a St. Patrick's Day kit, but you can, like, because of the colors, you can use it for any time as well. So this is the first sheet. You've got that really nice mint greens and darker greens, and then like a peach and some grays. So that's the functional sheet. The second functional sheet with your to-do today headers, some glitter headers, your weekend banners with some shamrocks, and then just the drawn icons. Then the really pretty full boxes. So you can see some elements that would align with St. Patrick's Day, but I still feel like you could use this like any time as well. It's not fully, you know, really targeted towards St. Patrick's Day. So those are the gorgeous full boxes. I love this little planner and hat full box up there. Then you've got your to-do boxes, sidebar and appointment labels. Your half boxes, quarter boxes and little things. Your really pretty bottom washi and washi strips. And your date covers and deco. And then this is it in the personal size, as you can see, with the side washi, full boxes and lots of functionals. So those are the new sticker releases for this week, but what we have also released, or will be releasing, is some previous subbox items. So these are from last year's May subbox, and it perfectly matches our current Lux Life kit, sticker kit in the store, so all of these will also be called Lux Life. So I thought I'd just go through everything that we've now put up on the shop. So the first thing, and it's all available a la carte this time. So the first thing are the papers. You get 6 papers that are back and front, 2 pieces of vellum and a piece of acetate in a pack. So I'll just go through. This is the first sheet, which is this gorgeous like concrete with the gold foil through it. And then the back of it is marble with actual gold foil in this geometric pattern, which is so, so pretty. As you can see, it does kind of match the Lux Life with the marble and the gold. And the geometric patterns, so you get 2 of those. The next one is these triangles, and then on the back it's kind of like this gold lace pattern, so you get 2 of those. Then you've got these hexagonal patterns, and then on the back another really pretty gold foil. That's so nice, I love these. And then you get your acetate, which is like this, and then you get 2 pieces of vellum. So the first one are these monstera leaves, which I think are really gorgeous, and then you get this like herringbone or fish, I'm not sure, pattern as well with the gold marble through it. So those are the papers that you can buy in a pack. The next thing you can buy is this notebook, and it just says Little Book of Notes with this desk clip art on the front. It's a B6 size, and it just has blank pages on the inside. It's got quite a few, and then that's the back of the notebook. So that's the notebook. Then you have a washi available. This is, I'll just zoom in. As you can see, it's a black marble with these 3 gold stripes through it. That's really nice. Next, we also have some sticky notes that will be available, and it's just square. It comes with this nice backing card, and the foil, it just says note to self, which I think it's really functional but also really nice to keep on your desk. So those are the sticky notes. Next, a really nice paper clip. So you've got the wide style paper clip, which I really like, and then it's a marble pattern on the actual ribbon with a gold glitter middle bit. So that is the paper clip that's available. Then you have some divider tabs. So you get 12 of these, so 2 of each pattern. So you've got like all of the patterns that are in the papers. So you've got, where are we? There we go. So you've got 12 of those, and you just fold them over and you can pop them in your planner and what that divider section is for. Those are your dividers. Then we also have some quote cards. So you get 6 of these. So again, they're gold foil. This one says life isn't perfect, but your outfit can be. This one says too glam to give a damn. This has just got the bold definition on it, and I love this little like washi strip in gold foil. Starve your distractions, feed your focus. Actually, I will. And this is one of the full boxes on the sticker kit. And then this one says dream, plan, do. So those are the quote cards, and second last are the die cuts. So I'll just go ahead and put them all out. So those are all the die cuts that are available. So you've got some girls, some plants, and then just some kind of really nice clip art, and then this little board that says work hard and get it girl. So these are all just on cardstock. And then last we have a traveler's notebook. So this is one that I've already had set up, but it is an A6 size, so it only comes in one size. It's got a marble print on it, front and back, black elastic, and then the interior is also black. So it's black stitching on the inside, white stitching on the outside, and then the front and back have the secretarial pockets. So that is everything that's available this week. It is a lot, and I hope you guys love everything. Let me know what you'll be picking up down below, and until my next video, I'll talk to you guys then. Bye!